Why do 75% of fashionistas view their nails as the ultimate accessory? Because every finger can flaunt a masterpiece. Nail art isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Today, I'm going to show you 3 trendy designs that are totally doable at home and sure to turn heads. First up, the ever-classic marble effect. No need for fancy tools, just your favorite nail polishes and some plastic wrap. Dab on a light base coat, drop a few blobs of contrasting colors, and gently dab with the plastic. Voila, you've got a marble masterpiece at your fingertips. Next, let's add some sparkle with glitter ombre. Start with a clear base, then apply a thin line of glitter polish at the tip, gradually blending it towards the middle of the nail. It's like your nails are dressed for a party, 24/7. And for those who love a bit of drama, the negative space design is your go-to. Apply stickers in geometric shapes on a bare nail. Paint over with a bold color and peel away the stickers. What you're left with is a cool modern art look that's all about what's not there. Remember, nail art is a form of self-expression. The colors you choose, the designs you dare to try, they all speak volumes about your personal style. So grab those polishes and let's get creative. Every nail is a tiny canvas, just waiting for your artistic touch. Show off your creations, inspire and get inspired, and never underestimate the power of a great set of nails.